Hi everyone, my name is David LaFontaine, and welcome to my course, Designing Data Visualizations. I'm a senior UX designer and researcher, although I also like to call myself a creative data scientist, because I believe strongly in bringing together numbers and data and design and human factors. And this course is definitely going to help you learn how to use your creativity and intuition to transform raw data into compelling visuals that tell a story. This skill is in increasing demand as more and more organizations generate data that they need someone to interpret for them. Some of the major topics we're going to cover include discovering what we call signals in the data by using simple data analysis techniques like pivot tables, understanding how those signals are key to choosing the relationships to visualize, how to avoid the 4 deadly sins of data visualization, using interpolation and extrapolation to go beyond just what's in your datasets, and finally, how to choose the visualization that best communicates what you see in your data. By the end of this course, you'll know the basic techniques that will help you turn raw facts and figures into visualizations that tell a story and make an impact. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with basic Excel or spreadsheet functions, as well as common charts and graphics. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn data visualization with the Designing Data Visualizations course here at Pluralsight.